Okay, so when you first get your DJ Mini 2, you've got to charge it up. And if you look back here, you're going to see that there's a USB-C port that you're going to be able to charge it with. In this little compartment right here is the battery, which you can take in and out. And they do have a charging port that you can purchase, but I didn't get one with mine. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this USB-C in there and then put it into my block that I have for my iPhone. And then on here, you're going to put it right here. So if you've got an extra USB-C, charge them both at the same time. They only give you one. So anyway, so there's the port that you use to charge up this, okay? And here is the port that you're going to use to charge up this, just like that, all right? So let's go ahead. I'm going to get another one of these, and we're going to go ahead and charge this bad boy. All right, so anyway, here I have an electrical connector for my USBs. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug these two USB-Cs. That already plugged one in. See it? There it is. I got this one plugged in, and then this is the one that came with the device itself. I mean, this one seems a lot more beefy, but I mean, they're basically the same thing. And we're just going to plug both of them in and charge them right here. So first we'll plug the drone in, and let's go ahead and just shove that in there. Bam, done. That's ready to go. We'll leave that baby sitting right there, right where we can see it, and then we'll plug in our controller right here. Bam, done. Okay, there we go. So now we've got both of these plugged in, and they're ready to go. All right, so once you plug them all in, if you want to see if this is charging, you just flip it over, and you're going to see there's an array of lights here. You can also see a light up front here. So that means the thing's charging. So we'll just kind of let it do its thing. I'm just going to set it back down. Over here, you can see that this one's charging. And when they're ready to, when they've reached their charge, we'll unplug them. How's that sound?